create an account on Singify. So just head over right here to singify.findshare.com and then you should be able to see this page. Now in here, let's click on this Create AI Covers Now. So once you have clicked on that, this will direct you to the covers that is available for Singify. But since we're actually going to sign up, head over and click on this sign up first because it will prompt you to sign up later once you have already created your model and you just need to access it by signing up. Now from in here, you will see this window. You can enter in here your desired email address and 6-digit password, but you also have the option to continue with Google and Apple. So in order to make this as fast as possible, you can head over and then just use these two right here. But if you desire an email address and a password, then head over and then just put that right here. So for this one, let me head over and then use Google. And then as you can see, this will open another window that will let me show in here my Google. I'll just choose one right here and then click on continue. And then once I have done that, this will direct me again to the Findshare. And as you can see, we have now a successful login. And then now in here, we can now head over and then start creating some AI voice models right there. So that's how I create an account on Singify. Hope we helped.